guys, we're going to be making some creme brulees today, and I'm going to go ahead and just go through the ingredients. I got 8 egg yolks, just the yolks. I got 1 quart of heavy whipping cream. I got 1 cup of sugar, and we're going to use some vanilla extract. You try to use a good quality vanilla extract. Okay, first things first is we're going to separate. I have my egg yolks already separated here. I'm going to add the sugar to that, and we're going to mix it up really good. I'm going to go ahead and add the vanilla too. I don't know, like a tablespoon. That's good. All right, mix it up real nice. Set that aside. Let's get our heavy cream going. Okay, my heavy cream is straight out of the fridge, so it's okay. I'm just gonna pour it right in here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna singe it. And that just means when it starts bubbling around the edges there, starts doing a little dance, ready to take that sucker off. All right, y'all, at this point, you got your cream. You're gonna take it off the stovetop. You're gonna add it super slow to your egg yolks as to not coagulate your eggs, little by little. We got our custard ready to go into our souffle dishes. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 of them. I should also mention that these souffle dishes are sitting in a water bath, warm water. It's going into the oven. They don't have to be hot water. That's all. That's all she wrote. Probably better to put it in a dry pan and put the water in while it's setting in the oven. Gently cover it with a little bit of foil. Okay, guys, it's been 1 hour and 15 minutes at 325. Let's get our creme brulees out of the oven, and be very careful here because you don't want the water to go inside your souffle dish. It's going to ruin the consistency of the custard. So be careful. Keep it level. All right, put your creme brulees in the refrigerator and let them cool for at least 6 hours. It's better if you do it overnight. Success. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now the fun part. Now what you want to do is you want to put a little sugar on top of this bad boy right here and get it bruleed. A little bit of sugar, not too much sugar, and I'll tell you why not too much sugar, because when you burn it, the top will burn and then the bottom will still be granulated. Okay, get you a fancy little torch here. This is what I got. I'm not gonna tell you to hold it in your hand. I mean, that's how I do it. And then I'll rotate it. I quit.